out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorm located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southwest of Navarre Beach to near Fort Pickens to Wolf Bay. The strong thunderstorm